Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and I just wanted to make a little video to not only say thank you for this past year, but to also share with you guys all of the cool things we've done this year and even show you the awards and things. Like here's another one from YouTube, we got another one back here. And the reason why I wanted to is because, look, I started this channel 10 years ago. This year, 2024 was a insane year for the Wildwood Video Archive. And I started it 10 years ago to be able to provide you guys with history videos and, 8mm, super 8mm reels, and really preserve history, tell you history as it's happening today, record things as they're being destroyed. So that way you'll always have it for the history books. And it kind of turned into this. I mean, we now have over 101,000 subscribers. Hitting 10 years, I got to meet over 450 of you guys doing our meet and greet, which we had to end early just because the museum had to open and we didn't have time to stay there any longer. We just had so much fun this year, and none of my long form videos, the deep dive ones, one which is top secret one I'm working on, which is so cool, which might have me flying across the world, and a couple other things. I could have never done any of this stuff without your support. Without you coming to watch my videos, maybe buy an ornament or a hat or a calendar, or just click an ad or something like that, or my Patreons who actually support this channel on patreon.com, which you could be a part of. It's because of all of that I'm able to spend hours on end researching a story, going after something, spending time doing different things. I mean, just look what we did in the past year. We started off the year on the battleship New Jersey, doing videos before she went in the dry dock. We did drone videos. We filmed her as she went to dry dock. We were inside the dry dock filming it, whether it be with the 360 camera, a camera I could have only gotten with your guys' help. Doing a massive 4K tour with a camera that also I couldn't have done without your guys' help. Then we filmed her coming back. Then we got on the SS United States and filmed inside there for another 8 to 10 hours day of just that one day. We filmed awesome new events happening down the shore, Barefoot Country Music Festival. Heck, we even had a president come to the beaches in Wildwood, and we were able to get a press pass to go film and take pictures, and we have it for the history books. This year has truly been a landmark year. And none of this would have ever been possible if it wasn't for your help. So as we hit 100,000, as you know on YouTube, you get certain things. And what the big thing is, and the one thing that I've been looking forward to, had been what was inside this box that came in. And yes, we did a celebration video, another awesome video we did with Maurice Pierce, taking you guys behind the scenes of their coaster shop, paint shop, and part shop. And I showcased you that one back here, which I'll show you in a second. But it's this one here that probably means the most, as we're hitting now past 10 years. And what is it? It's the plaque you have to hang up. But out of the box, you get your letter from YouTube. I don't need to read it for you. You can Google it. But it's like, hey, do you remember your 100th subscriber, your 1000th? And it's funny because I do. I remember every single one of you guys. I try to respond to as many of your comments as possible because, once again, I do this stuff because of you guys. But in that box is this. It's probably hard to see on the camera. You can kind of pause and read if you would like. Got some cat hair on there. But this is because of you guys. This right here is because of you guys. Because if you didn't watch the videos, if you didn't comment, if you didn't share, especially if you didn't share, people wouldn't find out about us. And if you really pull things back and you say to yourself, okay, so what is this YouTube channel? It's a channel based off of an island at the Jersey Shore. And we somehow were able to pull in those kind of numbers, getting millions of views every single year, getting about 3 million hits on our website every single year. I mean, these are numbers unthinkable to someone who's doing this by themselves. We don't have a massive team. I've got my camera and you. I've got me. I've got my wife. And we've got some awesome people who send us stuff along the way. And to be able to achieve this kind of success at this stage is just like, wow. Really shows that if you put your mind to it, and that's not to sound cliche, but if you put your mind to it, you can literally do anything you want. I mean, we won an award earlier this year from New Jersey's professional broadcasters, which is just like, wait, what? That's insane. We got an Emmy nomination last year. So there's a lot that we've done, once again, because of your support. So that's why when I see something like this is for you guys. And we will hang things up. You know, I had gotten 2 of these because they give you 2 of these. This one you hang up on the wall. And this one right here is heavy. This is actually 6 pounds. I let the team at Maurice Pierce hold it. This thing is heavy. It's a little bit different because this one you actually put on, the, I put it on my piano, but you can put it on your shelf. But, you know, I've got this award, the Emmy nomination award. We've got the other plaque for broadcasting. We have another award that we also have to hang up as well. And then hang up this one here. And as my wife says, this is just the beginning, guys. You know, I don't think many people really realize the amount of work that goes into certain videos and aspects of things. And that's fine. I mean, when you see a video online, we want you to see perfection. We want you to see the best of the best of the best because that's what we want. We always want the best for you guys. And like the video that I'm working on now, my top secret video, which if you made it this far, then you're going to find out a little bit about it, involves something that has been historically lost, that had been reported one way and people took it as fact because, I mean, no one knew the difference. And I've now been now going into my 7th month doing this one video. Yeah, that is interviewing. I've interviewed now 11 different people. We've gone ahead and done research. We've had to reach out to certain countries to have their government go through and research things. It's been insane. And it's at the point to where the reason why I haven't put the video online yet is because I don't have the conclusion yet. I've found this lost thing that's been lost since the 80s. And I've tracked it down to 2022. And I'm just 2 years away from figuring out where it's been. And that's exciting. Tracking down someone who used to work there, someone who's writing a book, someone who knew more, interviewing people that were around that time, who helped with things. There's a lot that goes into some of these long form videos. And to be honest with you, I love doing it. There's so many untold stories in South Jersey in general. Our Emmy nomination, by the way, came from the graveyard ships of South Jersey, something that no one had ever documented. That took us about 6 months to do because we had to convince the owner of the nuclear plant to let us fly our drone over there for historic purposes. All that being said, there's so many other amazing things going on outside of my world here on YouTube for the Wildwood Video Archive. I run a lot of other things. I don't really like talking about the other stuff, but if you Google enough, you could find out the other things I do, and that stuff had exploded. And I'm just really ecstatic right now for all the success that we've had. And I probably haven't said this enough during this video. It's only because of you guys we're able to do this stuff. We're only able to create these videos, show you what's going on around here during the holidays and the off season, and the construction update videos, and take the seagull up in the sky, and a few other things. It's only because of you guys. And I want you to know I'm extremely grateful and thankful that you're here, not only just with me, but for my family. Because at the end of the day, you guys are a part of my family. And so as we're rolling into 2025, which to me sounds weird to even be saying, doesn't 2025 don't even seem like a real number to you? As we're going into 2025, I want you guys to have a blessed and a beautiful year filled with many beautiful memories. I am 100% sure I'm going to be seeing you guys on the beach, on the boardwalk. You'll probably see my videos, whether they're here on YouTube, whether they're on Instagram or Facebook or on TikTok, if that is still going to be around in the next, 20, 30 days? Who knows? And I just once again want to say thank you. Because of you guys, we're able to grow. And who knows what's going to happen in the next 2, 3, 5, 10, 20 years. This thing could be even bigger than ever. And yes, there's a lot of big surprises coming out this year. You're going to be seeing our articles and videos and a few other things in places that you don't expect. And those are already happening now. And if you made it to the end of the video, I'll tell you one of those places. And that is the Cape May Lewis Ferry. if you're on the boat headed in either direction, you're going to see this guy. He's going to be popping up every once in a while. Also, if you're staying at a hotel in Cape May, you might be seeing this guy on the Cape May channel. There's a lot of things, a lot of cool little things that are happening, all because we're able to grow this channel. And once again, it's because of you. So thank you so much for your time. Hope you guys stay safe. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you where? On the beach. Be sure to grab your Wildwood's Christmas ornament before we sell out. We currently have 6 of them in stock. You can get them by clicking in the link in the description of this video. And the new one for this year, it is Santa riding the Great White. So if you want one, go ahead and grab them while they're still here.